Welcome to my property management platform. This application was built to solve the biggest friction point in real estate: communication between management and tenants. Let's start at the front desk. This is the Manager Command Center, and it provides a real-time view of the building's operational health, from tracking vacancies to monitoring pending applications and maintenance tickets. To minimize vacancies, the platform features a built-in CRM for lease applications. Managers can easily filter applicants, review their income, pets, and references, and approve new tenants in just a few clicks, but managing the building is only half the equation. To facilitate a seamless living experience, we provide a mobile-first tenant portal, seen here on the right side in dark mode. When a tenant opens the app, they aren't bogged down by a complex menu. They are greeted with a personalized dashboard that immediately surfaces anything requiring their attention. Now, let's look at how this facilitates daily operations, starting with a package delivery. When a courier drops off a box, the manager logs it and assigns a locker number. Instantly, an alert pushes to the tenant's mobile dashboard, and when one tap, the tenant sees exactly which locker to check, presented in a massive, highly visible format so they can grab their package while also allowing management to update its delivery status. Don't get me wrong, I love my packages to be delivered, but let's be honest, there's something more important than this. When things go wrong, transparency is critical. Let's say a tenant loses their wallet and is able to submit a request right from their phone. No phone calls or emails required. The manager receives the ticket in real time, and crucially, as the manager updates the status and adds resolution notes, those updates are pushed directly to the tenant's feed. This closes the loop communication and eliminates anxiety and drastically reduces follow-up calls to the front desk. For me, I'm very proud of this feature. It's my favorite. Next, we have visitors access. Tenants can generate temporary digital access codes for their guests. The system has built-in logic to enforce building and resident parking limits automatically. Once generated, the tenant can copy the access code and send it to their visitors. Meanwhile, management maintains a secure real-time ledger of exactly who's allowed to be in the building. From tracking secure tenant data to automating daily lobby logistics, this platform bridges the gap between property managers and tenants. Thanks for watching.